Okay, so hopefully the third and final audio test. I have my sound going directly through hardwired Insta360 with my preferred mic, with just a little bit more phone coverage than normal. So we'll see what that comes out like. But in essence, I'll do one more test after this, Bluetooth to the Insta, perhaps with further background audio test with a separate recorder. But this is just purely hardwired straight to Insta, preferred mic with a little bit of foam on it.
Hey you, if you want to become one of the Ride On people, don't forget to subscribe. Ride often, ride carefully, ride on.